This video will show you the touchscreen replacement on Redlion HMI model, G306K000. We begin by accessing the touchscreen assembly of the machine. Unscrew the bolts at the back of the machine. To remove the circuit board, unscrew the bolts and unpin the wires in the board. Now, to peel off the old front cover and touchscreen, use a heat gun to soften the cover. In starting to install the replacement touchscreen, secure the edges with adhesive. Now, to remove the old adhesive from the frame, use a heat gun to soften the latex, then scrape it off. To clear the adhesive marks, you may use dried latex remover. Apply the remover onto the adhesive marks, then use a clean cloth to wipe the dried latex off. Once cleared, peel off the strip from the adhesive, then prepare to install the touchscreen. Peel off the plastic from the screen before placing it in the frame. Shoot the cable to the slot, then gently place the touchscreen. To install the overlay, simply peel off the plastic and the adhesive, then attach it onto the frame. Prior to returning all the parts that were removed, clean the screen first with lens wipes. After cleaning the screen, we can now put back and screw all the other parts of the machine. Lastly, we're calibrating the touchscreen. Visit monitech.com. Follow for more.